Hey, it's Adam from GearRiser here. So look, I buy a lot of stuff. I use it in my house, my yard, wherever I need it, and then I tell you straight. Okay, so audio. This is where it started for me. Soundbars, speakers, portable stuff, the whole home theater setup. I got the JBL 1300X, the Samsung Q990F, studio monitor, subs. And I gotta tell you, I've spent way too much money on this stuff. But that means when I tell you one's worth it and one's not, I actually know. So lighting, this one's been my thing for decades. I probably have 50 different smart lights in my house right now. Govee, Hubspace, Tuya, Asahome, you name it. LED strips, recessed lights, light bulbs, outdoor stuff, cinema mode in multiple rooms. I'm not exaggerating when I say I've turned my entire house into a lighting lab. So if you're thinking about doing the same, I can tell you exactly what's worth buying and what to skip. And then there are the tools. I've got Ryobi's 18 volt and 40 volt lineups. I've tested Walmart's Hyper Tough stuff head-to-head, Milwaukee stuff head-to-head, real tests, honey locust hardwood, lug nuts, leaves, stuff all over the house, not spec sheets, not marketing, just me figuring out what holds up and what doesn't. Subscribe if you want the one guy who actually owns the gear to tell you if it's worth the money.